steering wheel is off of a Camaro Z28 from 1989, and this actual model of steering wheel spanned a number of different years on those Camaros in the 80s, and we have done hundreds and hundreds of these. Just like any steering wheel, wear down, and so we go in on these and obviously take all this old worn out leather off. We'll clean up the spokes. Some people want us to paint the spokes, which we can definitely do. This customer is not going to do that. In fact, his are in really good shape. They just need to be cleaned real well. So we'll get them cleaned up, get that old leather off. There is a layer of padding underneath this leather, and so we will replace that padding in our process also with brand new upgraded padding. We'll reupholster this wheel in the black Ferrari smooth grained leather with that baseball stitching hand, and do it just like factory original. So let's see how this looks after we transform it. We got this 1989 Chevy Camaro IROC Z steering wheel all refinished out again. We have stripped it down, cleaned it real nicely, added new padding underneath the leather, and then new Napa grain leather. That's the smooth leather. This is the our Napa is a Ferrari black leather, so we added that new leather to it. Then we used that really nice hand stitching baseball stitch pattern on that steering wheel to bring it back to factory original, and so now it's ready to head back out to the customer. Anything you need here in regards to steering wheels or interior parts, give us a call at craftcustoms.com, and we look forward to working with you.